Let's extract the Mach number along a horizontal line at y equal to 0.4. So first I need to create the line at y equal to 0.4, and then I can extract Mach number along that line. So I go to location, line, I'll go with the default name for the line, and I will start the line at x equal to 0, y equal to 0.4, and end it at x equal to 1.5, y equal to 0.4, and click apply. And so it shows me, the line, and it adds it to the tree. So if I don't want to see it in the graphics window, I can just deselect it. Now let me plot, so let me select it again, and I'm going to plot pressure along that line, pressure versus x. So I go to chart, and let me say, actually I'm going to plot Mach number versus x. So I'll say Mach number along line 1, and under data series tab I select the location, and the only location I have available is the one that I've created. Along the horizontal axis I will plot the x coordinate. Along the vertical axis I will plot the Mach number, and click on apply. And so it's extracted values along that line, but by default you get only a few samples along the line. So let me go and increase the number of samples along the line. So I go back to the tree, and I'll double click on line 1, and I make sure that I'm editing line 1, and I'll increase the number of samples to 100. Apply. And the plot gets updated with the 100 samples, and now you get a smoother curve, but you can see that the jump across the shock in Mach number is distributed over a few cells. And as I refine the mesh, I expect that that gradient to get steeper and steeper. And I can modify, I can give it a title and so on under these tabs, which you can explore. And so to go back to the 3D viewer, you can click on that tab. So you can go between the 3D viewer and the chart viewer using the tab. So let's save the project.